Ready to organize your inbox? Here's how to create a folder in AOL Mail and keep your emails tidy in your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the AOL Mail app on your iPhone. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner. Now, tap on Mail Folders. Scroll down and tap on Create Folder at the bottom of the screen. Enter a name for your folder and hit Create. Your folder is now ready to store all your important emails. How do you prefer to sort your emails? By topic, date, or something else? Let me know in the comments. If you can't create a folder, check that you are using the latest version of AOL Mail. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.